make you look like a little bitch. Yeah, don't blame that on anyone else. That truck said certified white boy. What the fuck does that even mean? Sick double stopping. Electrical breaker at my apartment for my dryer, so we're heading to Menards to pick one of those up so that I don't have to do laundry at AJ's house anymore. You gotta give the fans what they want. I like the color of that Hummer, I just don't like that it's a Hummer. I'm sure this person is really fun to hang out with. Super cool guy, I imagine. Probably just as cool as the person that has Country Devil on the back of their truck. Power. Do you think there's enough of a lip at the top of that one to clear that? Coming down? Yeah. Oh, for sure. Oh, for sure, he said.
Not a big deal.
Oh, easy stuff? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, you guy. Someone could have taken mine like an hour ago.
Yeah, fuck it.
Gross. Truck rice. Fellow biker.
Hey, that's my friend Scott. He's really good. Good stuff.
Sick! Your neighbors love you.
Doug's actually the best. He doesn't want to make us look bad.
Yeah, right.
I was just about to say, he does what we want to do. He's our hero.
Appreciate that.
Here, I'll switch it.
You just gotta set your purse down. Oh man. God, he looks so small on there. Falls over. Look, he's making a wide turn. He ain't about to stop. He's gonna get into it and get a raging erection. Holy shit! He just shit his pants, I guarantee you. He just shit his pants. Oh man. It's the first power wheelie he's ever done in his entire life. Without clutch dropping.
It's really fun to be coming into a corner and on the way out of it, being able to just crack it and come up.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, that's first. So I'm guessing that's neutral.
Ah!
Have a second gear and I pulled it up like that. Just to see. No problem at all. So ride it.
I'm scared. Can I even get on this thing? Ugh, it's so big. Holy shit. I'm scared. I feel like I'm on a horse.
It takes no skill to ride. It's all,
I mean, I don't.
fucking balls,
Those
though.
take no skill to ride.
It's kind of scary.
It's fucking tall.
Alright, Mom. Coming out here. Your turn.
Yeah, right.
Do you see that sweet little, like, slid to one direction, flipped it to the other direction with the still in the slide?
No,
No? You're right behind me.
I don't pay attention.
No. Really
Wait,
cool.
you're riding with us?
If I got it, I probably got it on the camera.
It felt awesome. It probably looks stupid.
My God, that's sick. I can't wait to see the video. Oh, that's disappointing.
Every porno I've ever filmed.
How many have you filmed?
3.
Today.
Look, she remembers.
That's how me and Doug became best friends. He was actually in a relationship with my mom.
Let's take her in a relationship. Put it out there.
Daddy.
Yeah, if you're wondering why AJ calls me daddy, that's why.
Okay.
He's like, well, wasn't wondering. Let's go to the annex.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Probably a sick fucking softball game going on down there. fuck is that guy talking about? He thought he had something really funny to say. I think he said McDonald's don't even know how to spell and pointed at their sign. But I didn't see anything spelled incorrectly, so I don't know.